Hey Auto Worlders, and welcome to the Auto World Workshop. And today we're gonna do a special unboxing. I'm here with my wife, Limari.
Hi guys.
This unboxing is special because this is something that I got when we went on a trip to New York, and this was a birthday gift. And yeah, she got this for me. I saw this on Adam Savage, and I immediately wanted one. And well, she said when we go to New York, we'll get one. So let's see this mini me that we got here. So it's completely closed. Haven't seen it. Let's see how this came out. It's very interesting because I wanted a smaller one, right?
Yeah.
It was 6 inches.
Yeah, I remember one.
And she was the one that said, no, get a bigger one because I think it's going to look nicer. And the guy over there, and he said, yeah, that bigger is better. That's what they all say. So there's a box in a box. It's a boxception. And as you can see here, it says double. So if you guys, any of you guys saw the video, Adam Savage, this, you know what this is. So let me see if I can kind of get this out pretty nice. There you go. Might want to save this. Yeah, put it in the box there. You excited?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Here you go. It's really well packaged. Oh, it has a little card, a little note. It says, excitement, it's in the air. Oh, yeah, I'm nervous. Look, I'm shaking. I'm literally shaking. But it's red.
Oh, my God.
It's really well packaged. Oh, so I think this is the baby here. Let's see how this goes. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. I'm the assistant too.
Oh, wow. Well, it has to be packaged this way because if not, it would break. So, oh, you can see the feet. Later on, I'll put some close-ups on it, but it's, yeah. I'm nervous. It's so cool. Yeah, no, yeah. The blade. I'm literally shaking. Huh?
Yeah, I know. What's that?
I've never been on YouTube. Okay, here we go. Oh, oh my God. And
Oh, wow.
oh my God. Ah, you can see my belly. Look at this,
Oh, that
guys.
looks so nice. Look at the tattoo.
What? Oh, you can see my tattoos. That's so cool.
Chinky.
Oh, this is really nice. I gotta take my glasses off to see. Oh,
Yeah, that's very nice. Yeah. I love it.
I have my Star Wars shirt. Yeah, the shirts that I make. So yeah, this is my mini me. This is my DOPL. It was a really great experience. I was nervous. I get nervous for anything. So
They got your earring.
the earrings. You can see the earrings.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll put some close-ups here in between while we're talking and stuff. But yeah, you want to hold them?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
That looks awesome.
Yeah, the details. I love the details.
Ah, this is so cool. Yeah. I try to
This is so
suck my
nice.
belly in, but well, it's there, so there's nothing I can do. Yeah, it's me.
Yeah.
This is so awesome.
Yeah. It looks so cool.
This is
So
so
nice.
cool. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys this, and after this unboxing, I'm gonna do something with him so I can display him. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed just seeing this, and I can tell you that if you wanna get one done, it's costly. It's not cheap, but it's a cool experience. It's quick experience, but it's cool seeing everything, the technology, if you like that. And then opening this and just seeing it, it's like, I'm going to be looking at this all day. This is so freaking cool.
Yeah, it looks so nice.
Oh, this is nice, yeah.
¿Qué estamos, Jimmy?
Estamos en Topo, estoy haciendo mini me.
Mini tú.
Sí, una figura como si fuera una foto, pero no en forma de figura.
Como en resina.
Sí, una especie de resina especial.
¿Estás contento?
Gracias.
Yeah, I love the detail.
Yeah, for sure. If you get a smaller one, the face detail is going to be a lot less. And
this is the 8 inches, right?
8 inches, yeah. You got the 8 inches because that's when you recommend it.
Yeah.
Because you thought it was going to look better. And the guy said, yeah, it's going to look better. And I look young. I look young. Yeah, this is awesome. Thank you again.
Yeah, sure.
I love you. And yeah, let's see what I'm going to do with this guy. And this is going to be displayed in my room. So thank you guys for watching. I'm going to put some glamour shots of this guy at the end of this video. And thank you for watching and seeing this video. And I want to welcome all the new subscribers. I have a lot of new subscribers. Thank you. There's a lot of new content that I'm working on. I've been through a lot of stuff, work and sickness and no time, just putting the house up to date and a lot of stuff. But there's a lot of content that's coming in, and one of them is going to be doing something with this guy. And if you haven't subscribed and you like to watch my videos, hit the button down below. We're going to really appreciate it. And once again, see you next time when we make something out of this world. Bye.
Bye. Here we go.
Ahora sí que. ¿Quieres que te
Para que no
monte?
se vean mis merienditas.
Ok.
Ajá.
Dame un tiempo en lo que empiezo y arranco. Qué raro hacerlo contigo aquí. Ok. No more Spanish.
¿Y en inglés?
Pues claro, porque está Out of Works. Tú puedes decir, oh, wow, qué brutal. It's nice, que se me queda.
Ok, gracias por decírmelo.
Sí, pues está Out of Workshop.
Ya yo iba con mi...
No Spanish.
Okay.
O subtítulos.
Ponme subtítulos.
You speak English? Ok. Vamos, ¿estás comiendo? ¿Vas a seguir comiendo?
Perdón.
No, te pregunto tú. ¿Estás grabando ya?
Ah, perdón.
¿Sí? ¿Cómo yo voy a activarlo si no? ¿Ve el puntito rojo? ¿Se está grabando? No lo puedo activar desde acá.
Ok.
Ok, solo tengo que cortar
Moderno.
todo esto, pero no.
Muy moderno para mí.
¿Lo corto y lo hago ahora?
No, dale,
Ok.
sí. Tú puedes editarlo, ¿verdad?
¿Ah? Sí.
Ah, bueno, pues dale.
Ok. Tu cara está frisa. Ok.